Hello guys, it's the headphoneaddict.com. Hi guys, it's the headphoneaddict.com here, and today I am just making an announcement video of my latest acquirement, which you can see at the bottom here. But first I'm going to talk a little bit about this combo, and well, apologize for not having made any new videos lately, but who cares? I'm back. Hello. Okay, so starting at the top here, you've got the Audeze LCD-3 high-end headphones, orthodynamic, great pair of headphones. Also quite expensive. And it's probably safe to say now that these are my favorite pair of high-end headphones. They are absolutely fantastic. They have liquid highs, great deep and detailed bass. The mids are just slamming you in the face every chance they get, and the highs are silky smooth. It's just a phenomenal pair of headphones. Dangerously great, because you can turn them up so loud and it never hurts, and you just want to keep the volume going up and up and up, and you'll go deaf. So that's the headphones. Secondly, we got the AURALiC TAURUS fully balanced headphone amplifier. Fully balanced meaning that it's fully balanced. And as you can see here, it has an output selector, so you can select if you want to run it in balanced mode or standard mode, which is standard single-ended mode, meaning unbalanced. You can also choose input, XLR or RCA, i.e. balanced via XLR and unbalanced via RCA. So at the back of the unit you've got two connections. You have balanced through XLR and unbalanced through RCA, so you can connect two pieces of equipment on it. In addition to being a fully balanced headphone amplifier, it's also a preamplifier, so yeah, it has balanced outputs and unbalanced outputs. So you can basically connect it to a power amplifier, which is connected to your loudspeakers, or you can connect it directly through a pair of active studio monitors or active speakers. So that's what this top unit is. I've had it for maybe 3 or 4 months now, and I've used it a ton with the Audeze LCD-3s, and my sound assessments of the Audeze LCD-3s was based in relation to the Taurus amplifier. Pretty expensive as well. Not quite sure what the dollar amount would be, because that's not my local currency, but I can put that in the description box. The same goes for the Auralic Arc Mx Plus, which is at the bottom here, and I've got this yesterday. These two are built for one another, and wow, they're just great together and visually super appealing as well. The Auralic Arc Mx Plus is a digital to analog converter, so it takes your digital signal and converts it into an analog signal, and it then outputs that analog signal to the Auralic Taurus headphone amplifier and preamplifier. So that's basically what this thing does, and wow, it's just great. But I'm not going to go into depth about the sound in this thing, and more than I already have, because I've only had it for a little over 24 hours, and I don't think it's fair to give out reviews after only having a unit for 24 hours. So I'll come back with a video where I'll go more in depth into this thing with various pairs of headphones, like Sennheiser HD650, Sennheiser HD600, Denon AH D7000, Audeze 2, revision 1, etc. So that's going to happen in the future. So what more is there to say? Well, the inputs on this thing is, it has 2 digital inputs. It has a USB input, which I'm currently using, and it's got a coaxial input. So 2 inputs. The thing is, you can only use 1 input at a time, so it does not have a toggle switch or anything like that. You can only use either USB or the coaxial, so only 1 source for this thing. If you want to use multiple sources, you need to pick up some kind of switch, so you'll connect all your digital appliances to a switch and then select between the various units on that switch, and then feed that into this, probably through the coaxial input. So it does not have an optical input, which is a Toslink input, only USB and coaxial. So that's all I wanted to say, and I'm going to do an in-depth review of this stack of greatness in a later video with all the other headphones I mentioned. And I would also like to say thank you for all the people that have subscribed to my channel while I haven't been making videos. I have now gained over 540 subscribers, I believe, and I'm going to service those subscriptions because I'm happy about each and every one of you. Love you very much. So thank you for subbing, and we're going to have great fun. So goodbye guys, great to be back. Goodbye.